In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a column and paste it in a different board in Monday.com. This can be quite handy if you're managing multiple projects and want to maintain consistency across your boards. So let's go through this process step by step to ensure you can do it smoothly and efficiently. First, you'll want to navigate to the board that contains the column you'd like to copy. Once you're on the correct board, move your cursor over the column header. That's the name of the column at the top. As you do this, you'll notice a small three-dot menu icon, often called the ellipsis, appearing just next to the column title. Click on this menu to reveal a list of actions you can perform. From the drop-down menu, you will select Duplicate Column. This action immediately creates a copy of the column on the same board. It's a quick way to replicate its structure and content without any hassle. At this stage, you might want to rename this duplicated column if it makes things clearer for your workflow. Now that the duplicate is created on the original board, the next step is to move this column to the board where you need it. To do this, click on the same three-dot menu next to the duplicated column. From the options that appear, choose Move to Board. A list will pop up with all the available boards. Simply select the destination board where the column should go, and that's it. The column is now successfully moved to the new board. Remember, there is a notable consideration when moving columns between boards. Not all column types are transferable. Basic types such as text, status, date, and people columns can be easily moved. However, more complex columns like mirror or formula aren't eligible for direct transfer using this method. This is due to the way they interact with data from multiple locations, which might not be compatible across different boards. Using these steps, you can efficiently maintain a uniform structure across your Monday.com boards by copying and moving essential columns. This not only saves time, but also ensures that your team has a consistent framework to work from, no matter which board they are using. Thanks for watching, and I hope this makes your workflow even smoother. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave your comments.